Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about the interesting topic which is based on the user group role based like fields visibility. Like some fields we want to only like visible to specific group of user or specific level of officer or the user, and normal user cannot see the fields, right? So for that we are going to learn how we can achieve this in Odoo standard functionality, which is a bit technical. We need a code in that, but I am going to explain you step by step so you can just see how it works, right? So first of all, we need to activate the developer mode. So we will go to settings, general settings, and go down, and here we can see the activate developer mode. I have already activated, so I can see here developer icon, right? Now I will go to here, these groups, right? Users and company and groups, and I will create here one group. Let's say something we will see like price related. Let's say we will see on the product. First of all, let's say we if we want to hide some specific, let's say this price field, sales price, right? Then let's say we'll go to settings, groups, and product price visibility, or let's say can see product price, right? And we will save this, and let's say we can click here, and we can export, so we can get a external id, because we need external id. If I select this and click on export, right? So let's say I will open this fields, and I can see from here also the metadata and this xml id. So I will copy this because we need later this external id to detect this specific group, right? Can see product price, this is the access group. So if we open the user, and I am currently login as a admin user, so I will open this, and I can see I want to allow this user to see the product price or not. So I have enabled this, can see product price. We can see here, right, the extra this rights, because we created the groups. I will save, so this admin user can see the product price. So where we need to like hide or show the product price, so where we need a code, right? So I go to sales, products, and here open any products. So here this sales price I want to hide, so based on the condition. So for that I can click here in the developer icon and fields, and here we need to create a new fields. Let's say x price visibility something, and here can see price, this is something label, and this is boolean fields. And let's say we will remove this, and we will make this only read only, right? And here in compute we need to add a code. So let's say first of all what we will do here in the code, we can add like can see, this is variable, and in that variable self dot env dot user dot has a group. Here we will add the external id of the group which we have copied, right? So I will add here. So this line what it will return, so it will return that the current logged in user has this group assigned or not. The group which is in user form we added can see product price, yes or no, it means we checked the checkbox or not, right? So can see is yes or no, right? and then we will iterate the all the products record in self, and here we will set the fields record of this field value is equal to this, right? So it means that it will automatically set this field value true or false in each products, right? So I just saved this, and if we now add code here, so we will see how to like hide or show. So let's say this form, so we will find here view form, right? And we will find this main form view, and we will see where this like price field is be added. So we can see here, this is the group standard price, and here we can see list price, the label, and this section list price, it means our sales price. So we need to hide based on the access group this label, it means the return label, sales price, and the value, right? So we need to hide this both section, right? So let's say how we can achieve. So I will click on here inherited views and add a new view. Let's say product template platform view inherited dot price visibility something, so we can easily identify. And here we need to add our condition to hide show using the xpath, right? So how so particularly we need to first hide the label. So how we can find the label? Xpath expr, right? So it means we need to write like right here path, what actually we need to do, like for the label, right? We need to find this label, and then what we need to do. So we can say we need to add attribute name is equal to invisible, it means we can hide, right? So xpath, what we can see the label first we need to hide. So we will find the label at the rate 4 is equal to list price. So how we need to hide? So we just need to add here these fields x price visibility, it means if this field value true, then it will hide this label, right? But before that we need to add our field in form view somewhere, right? So let's say for that we will add like, so I will add the our hidden field right in the sheet. So this, let's say I will add here label, so you can understood added price visibility, right? And here hide show product sales price label, right? And now we need to hide a product a price field, right? So for that we have a division named as this. So let's say I will copy this and add here div uh, name attribute, and then right. So section, and I will save. and it works. So it is a bit technical, but let me easily explain you. So this is the our custom field created. So we need to add in the form view, so it will not give error, right? So we added as a hidden, so it will not visible to the user, because we need to add, because we are using this field here, right, in the XPath. And we have added this XPath to hide the label, uh, right? And then we have added this XPath to hide the fields, right? Now I saved, and if I go to main form view and here, and if I refresh the page, and you can see it's like invisible, right? But here we have made one mistake. Let's say if I go to form, let's say here I need to add note something and save. Now I can see the sales price, right? Let's say, so first of all I will go to users, and I am going to this user, and I can see this price. Let's say, yeah, can see product price, so I tick yes, so this user can see the product price. So if I go to sales, products, and here in the product form, so I can see the product price because I have assigned this group. Now if I go to users and this user, and if I remove this and save and refresh, and if I open sales products, and it's removed, you can see, right? Because it is based on group. So same we can do the code in the list view. uh, let's say here this sales price and this Kanban view, right? So let's say I will go to here form, main form, and our view, I will find this view, I will copy this code, and again I go to list view and see how we can do. Okay, so for that we are on, let's say, product and list view, and we will click here and see view list, and here we will see the main, the list view, which has this list price. It means the main field to hide or show, and we will add a new our view, inherited view. So I will just add here a product template list inherited and price visibility. And let's say if I add my code and explain you, let's say, so added price visibility field, let's say we will find using XPath expr field list price before. So the before the our sales price field, we will add our X price visibility, which is the invisible field to detect the user has permission, yes or no, right? And then we will hide or show our sales price. So the field is list price and attribute, so it means we will be invisible this field value, not X price visibility. So if the user do not have the price visibility access, then we will invisible the field value, right? We will save, and I will go to the main form view. You can see here sales price I cannot see in form and list both. If I go to users, and if I give the access again and refresh the page and go to sales price, a product, and here I can see now the product price, and here in the form view also, right? So this is how we can hide or show the fields value based on the access group, right? So this is a bit technical and need code, related knowledge. But if you follow my video in Odoo 19, then you can easily hide or show this for functions. And same you can do for other features, other view based on the user, like some let's say for some accounting related, for some inventory related, or HR payroll related some fields you do not want to allow some users to see the fields. Let's say in the payroll HR, like some salary amount related fields you do not allow to all user to see. So in that case, this based on user access, we can hide also fields. So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you very much.